Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current Halloween stash. Yes, you heard right, my Halloween stash. I wasn't going to do this video till next month, but I said why not? Let me just show you guys what I'm working with as of now. I'm still unsure whether I'm going to craft for Halloween or if I'm going to do a series. I think I'm just going to stick to doing my October daily, because that does take a lot of time, so I feel like I gotta pick one or the other. So maybe I was thinking I can probably do the October daily with you guys in a different format though. I don't think I'm gonna do an album this year, but I'm still kind of playing around with ideas. I was thinking maybe doing memory decks, like a Halloween memory decks every single day. Maybe that'll be fun. Just kind of like switch it up, you know? Which also brings me to wanting to ask you guys, how often is too much to film for you guys? Like, are you guys okay with a video a day? Because sometimes I feel like if I film too much, I'm bombarding your feed with way too many videos. And I feel like with the way YouTube works sometimes, maybe you don't see all my videos, because I've seen like a difference on my views, and I don't know if you guys are not seeing my videos on your feed. Is it that you don't have the notifications on, or what could be the situation? Because I feel like maybe I'm just filming too many videos and you guys are like picking one and not viewing the others. So I'm thinking maybe I should just film one or two a week so that you guys kind of have a chance to watch the videos and they don't just sit there without views. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know down below. I don't know if what's too much or what's too little to film. I know when I'm having a series, I just kind of like to upload daily. If I have a bunch of videos for you guys, I just kind of like to put them up and just, yeah, upload them for you guys. But let me know down below, how many is too many and what do you guys want to see from me? Like, would you like to see a craft with me during the week and a haul, and like, you know, what schedule should I do? Should I upload on Mondays and Thursdays? I kind of want to just do something set on my channel. And definitely a lot of you guys keep asking about Wifey Wednesday. She's just been super busy, and whenever she does have the free time, to be completely honest, you guys, she's just exhausted and she doesn't want to film. And I know you guys miss her. She misses you guys too. She sees your comments, and we might bring an episode here or there, but I just don't promise anything at the moment, just because her schedule is so hectic. She's been working 6 days a week, and when she does have that one day off, the last thing she wants to do is film a video, to be completely honest. So yeah, you guys, enough of me jibber jabbering. Let's get on with my Halloween stash. So this is where I have all my goodies, as you guys can see. And I'm going to take everything out and show you. So I have some stickers. These are super cute. I think these were from Target last year. Then we have some of the Trick or Treat by my Mind's Eye. Some thickers. I have a lot to choose from, you guys. I got some little alphas here. And then I have some doubles of those stickers. We got some more little alphas and stickers here. This is from, I'm not sure what collection this is from, but it's from American Crafts. And then we have the pebbles. I think this is Spellcast, I think. And we have this one, which is Beautiful Night. This was a fun collection. And we have these. Another pack of those. Or I think these are different, or they're the same. Let's see. Nope, they're the same. Then I have this super fun pack of like what do you call these? Pipe cleaners, googly eyes, pom-poms. Never opened it. We got a bunch more stickers. These are like chipboard stickers. We got some Halloween tissue paper, Martha Stewart little alphas, and we have this Day of the Dead little sticker book, some little mini icons from Doodlebug. We have some doilies in silver, spider webs, some little treat bags with this cute little cat, little candy corns, these fun stickers, these little pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns. These were from the Dollar Tree last year. These are super cute. Here's another pack of those. And we have these. Tons of stickers, you guys. More sticker sheets. Then we have some of this gauze. This was from Target last year. These cute little fun pumpkins. Then we have these Martha Stewart ones. How cute are those? In here I just have like a mixture of stuff. Some chipboard, some ribbon. Then we have some cute little words that were sent to me in some Happy Mail. More little sticker pieces. Some little circle cutouts. These cute little bee ghosts. These little Halloween stamps. We got some more little stickers. More little stickers. This ephemera pack from Pebbles. You get all of those. We got some more little sticker sheets from Michaels. I got a ton of these when they went on clearance last year. We got some brads. Some sequence trim in black. This cute little stamp. Some Martha Stewart stickers. Then we have the Matilda and Godfrey by Photoplay, the ephemera pack. That's everything you get. Some more stamps and sticker sheets. Some sequins. And then we have another little pack of ephemera here. Here. And then we have these cute little crows. We have these little spiders with some googly eyes. These cute little cauldrons. Is that what it is? Cauldrons? Witches' cauldrons. Ooh, this little guy just does not want to stay in my hands. Some little treat bags. Some more stickers. More stickers. Spider stickers. Bunch of Halloween pencils. These I have left over. A bunch of fabric treat bags. These were from Dollar Tree. This little ephemera pack that probably was sent to me in some Happy Mail. Some little dimensional stickers. These that were from Michaels last year. Some metallic tattoos. Cute little bling. We have these stickers. Look at that. Another pack of these. This little pack of ephemera. Well, these are adhesive tags, so they got like little sticky backs. This is an ephemera pack from Creative Imaginations. That's everything you get. More stickers. little cards that were sent to me during Christmas. Happy Mail. This is nothing. This is all just this cute little guy. How cute is he? We got some more of these little chipboards. Cute little postcard, a little spider. A bunch of more stickers in there. I have this cute little kit right here, a spider web box. These little wood stickers. Some numbers. Tons of stickers, you guys. Tons of stickers. And we have more foam stickers. Ephemera packs. Stickers. Ephemera. These cute little clips, back clips. And we have this little pack of little gift bags to make little loaded bags. Those are fun. Just a bunch of goodies in here. These little Martha Stewart die cuts, the wooden ones. She had like 2 kinds. I think I have the other one too. More of these stickers. Some more ephemera. Some Halloween clips. Some more Halloween brads. These are some Halloween like playing cards. Then we have a bunch of doilies in here and some of those little foam die cuts. Here's the other pack of the Martha Stewart die cuts. Some more stickers. Cute little nail stickers. And we have some like bigger doilies and some like vellum pumpkins. More stickers. Some huge pebbles enamel dots. And yeah, you guys, that is my Halloween stash as of now. Do you guys think that's too much? I think that's too much. I don't even think I'm gonna use all of this. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know about the questions that I asked you previously on the video, what you guys want from me. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.